experiencing issues with your Rogers Xfinity camera? The most common causes are app glitches, network connectivity problems, and hardware malfunctions. First, ensure your Xfinity Home app is updated to the latest version, released September 2025, for AI-driven diagnostics. Next, check your Wi-Fi connection. Xfinity cameras rely on a stable 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz band. For Rogers users, confirm Ignite TV compatibility and consider using Xfi advanced gateways for optimized mesh networks. A quick app reset will address most issues quickly, or move on to the next section for network or hardware-related fixes. If a simple reset doesn't work, dive into your network settings. Network interference or IP address conflicts are common culprits. IP address conflicts can cause connectivity issues. Rogers users might need manual network tweaks due to infrastructure differences. Use the Xfinity Home app's built-in tools to check signal strength. As a last resort, perform a hard reset by holding the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. This clears the cache and reinitiates setup. Remember, regular app and firmware updates are key to preventing future issues. If the camera continues to malfunction, contact Xfinity or Rogers support.